I think acceptance that this will happen is step one of the healing process. Go through it. Cry tears if you want to. Cry tears if you want to. Accept your negative emotions. Don't just keep fighting them all the time. It's okay to say I am depressed. Even to say that I'm depressed because the heartbreak needs courage actually. A lot of people don't want to admit that. Accept it, admit it. That's step one of the healing process. And then step two is different things can be done, but step two is actually to find out someone with whom you can really confide. Because step one is dealing with it within yourself. But step two is to have someone, a friend, family, whoever, someone trustworthy, someone close, to whom you can just go and pour out unedited, uncensored. Just vent out all those emotions. लग रहा है ना जो बोलना है बोलूंगा मैं. Otherwise you are always going to have to be, you always have to worry about, will I be judged for what I said? Will there be confidentiality about what I said? What if this guy goes and tells her, or what if guy goes and tells him? So I think it's good to open up to someone and just vent out, uncensored, unedited, as it is, how you feel. It just makes you feel light because everything's come up. Otherwise you're just carrying it along with you, right? The third thing, step 3, is to really start looking at what's the next thing to do. You're not going back, correct? And the third step may take time. May take 2 weeks, it may take 2 years, who knows? Everybody is a different individual, their healing times are different. Everybody has different kind of upbringings, different kind of coping capacities. So whatever time it takes, but it's important to see how to move on to the next step of life. Would it be another relationship? Would it be no relationship? Would it be what? Would it be what? If it's a relationship, it shouldn't be just based on some emotions from the past, based on proper reason. If it's no relationship, it shouldn't just be based on emotions ki pehle aise hua abhi nahi chahiye. It should be based on proper reasons and rationale. So I think we need help in that kind of a journey. So these are 2-3 things, of course, and all through spirituality again helps a lot. All through meditation, chanting, whatever that may be. It kind of helps you declutter a little bit from what you're going through.
It accelerates your healing.
Accelerates your healing indeed. Good well.